Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable closed captioning or turn captioning on or off on YouTube. So this is a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go jump right into it. While a lot of videos do have the closed captioning functionality, it's important to note that unless the user actually inputs their own closed captions, generally speaking, it's the auto-generated YouTube captioning, which is hit or miss, but it has gotten better over the years. But in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys just how to turn it on. I'm not vouching for the accuracy of any one given video experience. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I have one of my own videos up here, and all you have to do is just go ahead and select the closed caption button over here, or it's the subtitles / closed captions. So if you go ahead and left click on that, you can actually start seeing the auto translation up on the screen. And if you click the play button, it'll start moving along with the screen as well. So whatever's going on, it should reflect what I'm actually saying, especially if you manually translated it. And you can change the translation settings as well by clicking the little settings button here next to it, the little gear icon. And you can click inside where it's the subtitles and see if there's other auto-generated options here. And you can also auto-translate too. So just gives you guys a few different options there. But as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.